Attention, WhatsApp users! You can now send GIF as stickers directly in your chats. Here is how it works. When you open any chat and head over to the GIF section, simply tap on the GIF you'd like to send. The moment you do that, you'll notice 4 brand new options pop up on your screen. The very first option you'll see is called Send as Sticker. By choosing this, the GIF you selected will be converted and sent as a sticker in the conversation. These 4 options will appear each time you click on any GIF. You also have the option to send the GIF as a regular GIF. Simply click on the second option, Send as GIF. You can also add text before sending a GIF as a sticker. To do this, open a chat, go to the GIF section, and click on the GIF you want to send as a sticker. From the 4 new options, select the third option, Edit as Sticker. This will allow you to add text before sending. This option will allow you to customize the GIF before sending it. Once you're happy with the edits, just tap the Send button, and your customized GIF sticker with added text will be delivered to the chat. Similarly, you can add text before sending a GIF. Open a chat, go to the GIF section, and click on the GIF you want to send. Among the 4 new options, select the fourth option, Edit as GIF. This feature opens up an editing interface where you can add your own custom text over the GIF. After you're done editing, simply hit the Send button, and your personalized GIF with the added text will be sent to the chat.